The Civil Rights Act of 1964 is a landmark civil and labor rights law that outlaws discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. The far-reaching law, coming to fruition after hundreds of years of oppression of Black Americans despite supposed emancipation and equal rights afforded to them after the Civil War, was a pivotal moment in American history.
Although America had attempted to codify civil rights and ban discrimination based on race before, the government lacked the ability to regulate the private sector. This essentially legalized discrimination and rendered any civil and labor right protections that were hard fought for over the previous decades entirely useless. Throughout the late 19th and 20th century, Black Americans were segregated from public life, whether it be schools, shops, restaurants, or public spaces, and local laws hampered or entirely denied their ability to vote. The civil rights movement of the 1900s, which saw violent reprisals to nonviolent demonstrations, culminated in the 1963 March for Freedom. The massive media coverage and public outcry from the increasingly intolerable situation pushed President Kennedy to propose the bill in June of 1963. President Lyndon B. Johnson pushed the bill forward, which passed through Congress and signed into law on July 2, 1964.
The 1964 Civil Rights Act fundamentally changed life in America, ushering in desegregation and opening up public spaces and voting to all its citizens. It is the basis for much of the workers' and voter rights we enjoy today, and the defining predecessor for many important labor rights bills that followed.